Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the indie game filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here slide right until you see atmosphere. Okay, go there. Okay, slide. Okay, lots of effects are there, so check carefully. It's a emoji. Okay, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, wait for it. After the warning you will get the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and search for pixel filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Likewise, after the warning you will get the effect. Yep. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this indie game filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.